Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to clear Google Ads history. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Clearing your Google Ads history can help manage your account activity for privacy and better performance analysis. Here's how you can do it. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Google Ads account. Go to the Google Ads website and log into your account. Access Change History. In your Google Ads account, hover over the campaigns icon and click on Change History in the side panel. Select Date Range. Choose the date range for which you want to view the changes. You can select specific dates in the upper right corner. Filter changes. Use the Views bar on the top to filter to changes by user, campaign or performance. Delete change history. Unfortunately, Google Ads does not provide an option to delete the change history directly. However, you can manage the review the changes to understand their impact on your campaigns. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.